Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required to download something, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to recreate all of my steps, to follow my steps. If not, you will have to either log in or sign up. You can do it with the usage of our tutorial, so I highly recommend to check that, how to add or remove a Google account in this particular device. Alright, so let's move into the updates. We have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. So let's tap on it and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see here we've got the list of all installed apps which are on this device currently, and all we have to do is to simply tap on updates available, and as you can see there we've got the list of all of the updates which we can currently download and install, and of course if you want you can mark all of them. If not, just find yours and mark. So I'll choose Google Chrome, maybe the cleaner, and maybe contacts. So just mark the apps and tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right here, our device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. You do not have to wait here, of course. You can just turn it off and your device will do everything in the background. And that was really fast because I was not able to actually finish what I wanted to say, and it already updated the apps. As you can see, they will disappear from this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.